y'all? It's Candy Cheyenne and welcome back to my channel. So today we're going to be installing some clip-ins that I received from Curlsqueen. Y'all, the box is so cute. It says to be fresh, gifted, female, and black. Period. Like, that is so cute. Even the ribbon says that. Cute. Oh, this is perfect. So we've got a dimming brush and a bonnet and some extra clip-ins and then this cute pouch. And here is the hair. Okay. So cute. Alright, y'all. So for this install, I'm going to be using 2 bundles of the Water Loose Curly in 24 inches. Not 2 bundles, 2 sets of clip-ins. So this is her, one of the packs. Oh my goodness, I hate the net, it be getting stuck on everything. Oh my goodness. Stuck on my nail, stuck on my bracelet. Okay. But yes, okay. Alright, so I wanted to so that I could have a nice full install because y'all already know how I apply my clip-ins. Because as y'all can see, we already got our braid down going. And for this install, it's gonna be flip over method, but it's gonna be like versatile flip over method because I got my perimeter out because I want to be able to put it in a ponytail. Yup. So let's get into it. It looks like it's gonna be extremely full. Oh, perfect. So yes, this is the curl pattern, y'all. Cute. So we are starting with the first set of clipping. Oh snap. Hold up. Let me do some measurements. This one has 4. And yeah, let's give and do that. Okay, so yeah, first we're going in with the first set of 4. 5. This is 5. I told y'all these are some very full clip-ins. So let me turn around so y'all can see. All right, 1 set in. Cute. Okay. Now we're going in with another 5 sets or 5 clip points. Ooh. Okay, I'm going to. These are so cool. Alright, so the next 2 I'm about to put in, they're going to be 4 clippers as well. This is what we have left. And now I'm going to go in, I think, with the 2s. Yeah, I don't see any ones with 3. So yeah, I'm gonna go in with the ones. Oh boom, here goes 1 with 3. Here goes 2 with 3. So yeah, I think I'm gonna go in with the 3 ones now. So we're gonna do 1, 3, and then we're gonna just do the rest 2s. Okay, so this is with all the clip-ins installed. Y'all, it is so cool. Y'all, look at this. It is so pretty. I'm not gonna wet it at all. Not yet. Cause it's cute. I like mine. I really do like big curly hair. So, and the curls are given. So I'm gonna just finger the tangle down. Y'all, oh my goodness. This is just one side. I ain't even fluff out the other side. Let me start fluffing it. No. I ain't even fluff in the middle for real. Okay, so that's one side. Let's fluff out the other side. Y'all, this hair is so big. Oh my goodness. I love it though, I really do. I'm tempted to layer it, but I'm not. I'm not gonna do that. Cause every time, I might though. I'm saying I'm not, but I might layer it. We're gonna see what I do with it. But y'all, this hair is so pretty. Oh my goodness. This, I feel like a princess with this hair. What in the world? Oh yes. Oh yes. Oh yes. Oh snap, not that. Oh yes. Alright y'all, so now we're going to get into our leave out. But do y'all see this? This is so pretty. This is so pretty. Okay, let me stop. Let me stop. We're gonna work on the leave out. Okay, cool. So leave out time. Cool. So as y'all see, like I said, we got the whole perimeter out because I won't be able to put it up. Or it depends. Depends on how. Now I have an even more versatile bun, so I won't say that. But yeah, we're gonna go in with the Silk Therapy Bio Silk. Y'all already know. Cute. So I'm gonna put on my reversible adjustable bonnet. That's cute. And we're just that's a lot easier. We're gonna go in and flat iron on my leave out. Since I'm not trying to really get it bone straight, I'm not like the heat isn't high. Now, since we flat ironed it, I'm just gonna wand curl it. And this is the wand curl I'm using. I'm using the smallest one that I have. And I'm gonna use this. I'm gonna use this part so it can be, you know, as similar to the hair as possible. All right, so these are the curls. I'm gonna spray. Baby hair? Yeah, always. Rip me out the plastic now, but not it. They funny. I know y'all seen them all them videos of people ripping themselves out the plastic. That is so funny. People are funny as hell. Okay. Loosely. Laughing to the bank. This shit is not a joke. Say it's up. Imaginary smoke. All right, that's enough baby hair. We're gonna keep it natural this time, you feel me? We're going to lay our edges. Cool. Not that tight. Not trying to choke myself. All right, cool. Gonna let that lay, and let's see what it's all talking about. Okay, cute little blend. Ooh, okay. Okay. And I'll put a little piece behind my ear. Let me separate this a little bit more. Okay, cute. What y'all think? Yep. It's giving? I think it's giving. I think it's giving what it's supposed to give. All right, so before we finish, let us get into some styles for this, because this is so cute. Because y'all know the flip over method is so versatile. I just want a rough neck nigga on the tongue. Bitches wanna send me automatic.